Welcome guys, this is a Boomer 40. You can see that it's the compact ag tractor, basically with ag tyres. They also come in turf tyres as well as industrial type tyres as well. Basically these tyres are actually a fixed rim, so basically you can only turn them around 2 settings. This tractor is actually 40 horsepower, it has the diesel motor. As you can see, it is front to back, not like a lot of them have the radiators at the other end. So basically it makes it a lot better comfort for the operator. And as you can see, a lot of the applications, the filters, the easy to test, the dipstick is all nice and easy, adequate to get to. This model comes standard with hydro transmission, which is a 2-pedal function, forward and reverse, which makes it a lot easier on the operator, especially if he's got bad knees or he's on the vehicle using forward and reverse for long periods of time. This is also comes loader ready. They have a mid-mount valve system and a front mount valve system as well. We come along to the back now. You can see that they have a 2 folding ROPS, which is standard on these machines to get it under high areas like garages and stuff like that. This comes standard with 1 set of remotes at the rear. A lot of them actually don't even come with that, so this is a good added advantage with the new Holland Bommer 40. Standard PDO 540. So come on down guys and let's have a look. Be worth your while.